Hi everyone. It's been a long day already. I flew into Tokyo this morning at 5 a.m. and I took a bullet train, Shinkansen train to Yama and then another train to Takayama. The primary reason of this trip is to see my parents, family, and friends, especially my parents as they're getting older. But along the way, I decided to take a detour and visit some places like Takayama. It's really cool to walk around Old Town Takayama. There are a whole bunch of restaurants, shops, and then this area is well preserved from, who knows, back in the days, maybe from Edo era. Hida Takayama is known for its historic old town and its food, but it offers other attractions as well, like this one. Right now, I'm walking around Hida Folk Village. It's very quiet and the leaves are starting to change and it's pretty calm and nice. It's a fun place to visit if you like this kind of thing.